or best chimney cleaner I can name. Over here, I believe this is the best one so far. That's what I see. I've been to Lowe's, buy those chimney cleaner over there, but they're not worth it. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to do something different with another video. So I usually work on automotive, but not today. So today's video, it is about a best product or best chimney cleaner I can name. Over here, I believe this is the best one so far. That's what I see. I've been to Lowe's, buy those chimney cleaner over there, but they're not worth it. They cost a lot of money and they're not worth it. But this over here, you can use this one to different sizes, even up to I forgot what is it. Well, it don't really say over here it's multiple, but it is you can use with 6 inches, 8 inches, and 12 inches around tube. So this is actually it reach up to 8 foot long all the way up to the roof. So I believe this is the best product because this is the first time I'm using today. I'm fixing to use it again, so hopefully you like the video. I'm going to, like I say, it's a used one, so I'm going to open it and let you see what is it. I'm going over the box a little bit, that way you can see it right there from the top. That way if you are thinking of fixing to buy this one, this is the best one. You know, just in case you're thinking about buying one of these, I guarantee this gonna make you happy. So this is the one over here. I bought it off Amazon. I think I pay $80 or $100 for it. Like I said, I had for almost 3 years now, so I like it. It's very good. Okay, this is the rod. We got 6 rod right there. This is how they look like. I think they have inches around, and I forgot, I think they're 3 foot long each one. So when you put them together, it's very easy. So this is what's in the box so far, and this is the head. I haven't changed the this plastic yet because it's still working, so I probably change it my 5th time when I use it. So this is still good. And there's an instruction comes with it. I didn't really read the instruction because it's easy to understand, it's clear. So even just look at the picture over here and you understand. This comes with it, and Here's a 12 bit adapter, and here's a Allen wrench. This end over here is to use it to loosen this thing over here for you to change this out, and the other end is to unlock the rod right here. Okay, this is most of what's in the box. This is what you get when you get the box. You get 6 rod, and you get the head, and you get a 3-bit adapter, and a small tool, and a instruction, and a plastic bag, which I used that one the first time I got it, so I gotta find another plastic bag right now just to cover the it's nothing special, it's just a normal plastic bag. I mean, not bag, it's just a plastic to cover your carpet or your couch around, which is not big enough. So I mean, you can have something else different if you want to. So that's what comes in the box. So let me show you how you lock them up and how you do this. Okay, this is the 3-bit. So what you do, get a rod, and here's the pinhole over here, right here, and then push it in. It will lock in to the hole. Push it down with one finger if you can, and it snaps in. I hope you hear that. Now it's locked in right here, and to unlock it, hope you can see it right there. Just see it in the camera. Okay, to unlock it, okay, now just put your thing over there and push it down and pull it out, which I can do it with one hand. Here you go, come off. I'm gonna do it again. Whoa. I don't know, the camera I'm having a hard time, but it's very easy. Don't think it's hard. Here you go. Alright, and now you can put your drill over here. Over here, you can put your drill over here and then start doing it. And on the other end, right here, see that look like? Same thing over here. Right there, see? I hope you can see it. Alright, now you get your head. It's got a pinhole as well. Where's it? Right here, see? So you put in here like I did with the other one. So it locks in. Now when you do your drill, right there, see, of course it's going faster, you know. So if you want it longer, just put another one here, like I was telling you about. Unlock this one over here. Yes, so, and then oops, put another rod. And now we got 2. It's long, see? Okay, that's 2 right over there. And then we got 6, so it will go all the way up the roof. And they are very flexible, as you can see right here. See? Okay, see how flexible they are? And it will go in almost any curve or corner to go. This is how flexible they are, see? The one from Lowe's, you cannot do this. You cannot do this. It will, because I had them before. The only way to use them from Lowe's, you have to use it with your hand. Just kind of do it like this, and it's just pain in a butt. It's not easy. This one over here, you just put it on your chimney and just use your drill. Easy, it's fast, and it's much cleaner because it will give you a lot of power. So let's continue and stay tuned and continue watching. So this is my wooden stove, or not wooden stove, the wood stove. This is the way I got my pipe, my flue, how you call it. I got it. Gosh, I got it going around. See right there, goes up and goes around and goes over. And when the fire begins, I just open that over there. That's that stopper or killer, how you call it. Some people call it stopper or killer, maybe some other way. Here's one over there and here's another on the top. So so usually with the fire it's going, I just close the middle one, so the heat, it will go around, it stay longer inside the house and then goes outside right there. So this is how I got mine, and it heats up the whole house. And even if just a little fire in the stove, the house, it will stay hot for a long time. And I hope you liking this video right now. So let's continue. I'm going to take the part of this one off and clean it, and then after I finish cleaning it, if my tool still working, not going to damage, then it's best tool after using it for 4th time. Alright guys, I just now finished cleaning my flue over here. It was dirty, and here's the rods on the floor. I only use 4.5 for my, so my house is kind of like a 2-story, not exactly, but you know, like a big attic upstairs. One thing I like to point out though, you cannot use this tool or this tool with power drill, because that drill adapter over here will not fit in the power drill. See over here, but the cordless, it's right here. The difference right there, that's the only fire goes, and this here it opens up more. So this will fit in there. Maybe will fit on other, but on the firestorm down over there will not fit, as you can see right here. Will not go, but on the cordless drill, perfect. Right there in the cordless drill, it works very good though. I like this cleaner over here. This is my tool I put together. There's a single one here with the brush. Look at my fire going. See on my pipe over here, we gotta do this. the flame or the heat will go straight out the roof out there. But when I do this, it will close over here, and then all this gets hot around and come back out. When the fire is going down, I can close this as well. Got two of them. There's no way out. Let's see. Now I got them all three closed. Now the smoke's coming out, see? Got that one closed. This one. That one. And that one. Now the smoke's coming out. Wow. I opened that one back up. Now it's working just fine. But most of the time I'll keep this one open right here. The top one. Right there. I keep that one open. And keep this one closed all the time. It's hot. Woo. Alright guys, thanks you for watching this video. If you got any question, comment, leave your comment below at where you can leave your comment at, and don't forget to subscribe and like my video if you did like it. Hope it helps you out, gives you any idea what to buy and what to do and what's the best way to do it. I mean, I like this tool over here, so I'm so happy with the result. I had it for 3 years right now and it's still going, but the rods kind of getting scratched up a little bit. They used to be very smooth, but now it's kind of. So anyway, that's enough talking. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and hit the bell. That way you can get notified when I post another video. Thanks for watching. God bless and peace. And that's the flue over there. All the way up there it's high, so now I don't have to go up on the roof and then clean it up.